Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Make sure you have a recent backup of important files so you can remove files without worry. Once backed up, open Disk Cleanup from Start, then right-click and run as administrator so system items are available. Select your C, Drive, check Temporary Files, Downloaded Program Files, and Temporary Internet Files, then click OK to delete. This frees immediate space and prevents accidental removal of system files. Proceed to the deeper cleaning steps once this completes. Once the basic cleanup finishes, click Clean Up System Files to remove Windows Update leftovers and old restore points, which can free gigabytes. Next, open Control Panel, right arrow Programs and Features, and uninstall programs you no longer use. Sort by size to prioritize big offenders. Then run a folder analyzer like WinDirestat or Tree Size to visualize large folders. Make sure to review user folders, downloads, and temp directories before deleting. When removing files, empty Recycle Bin to actually reclaim space. You're near the end. Empty the Recycle Bin and restart the PC so Windows finalizes file deletions and releases locked files. If you have an HDD, run Disk Defragmenter. For an SSD, ensure trim is enabled rather than defragmenting. After confirming free space, create a fresh system restore point so you can revert if needed. If disk cleanup or deletions fail, run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano, or boot into safe mode and repeat the cleanup to avoid locked files.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.